In this video, I'll show you how to publish your quiz inline on your Shopify homepage. First, make sure the quiz you want to publish is set as the default quiz. Click the three dots next to it, choose Make Default Quiz, and confirm. You'll see a badge showing it's now the default. Next, go to Online Store, Themes in Shopify, and click Customize to open your homepage layout. Under Template, click Add Section. From Apps, select Inline Quiz by RevenueHunt. Once the quiz block is added, you can move it anywhere on the page. In the Inline Quiz settings, you can customize how it looks. For example, adjust the quiz height, set it to full width, or enable autoscroll on quiz retakes or when changing questions. You can also display a specific quiz instead of the default by providing a quiz ID. To do this, save your changes, return to the app, copy the ID of the quiz you want, and paste it into the quiz ID field in the Inline Quiz settings. From now on, that quiz will load instead of the default. If you remove the ID, the default quiz will appear again. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save, then preview your website to see how the Inline Quiz looks on your homepage. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.